All right. Patriot and I are here picking up the trailer. Got her all hooked up. Pull her back to the house for a couple days. We're gonna do some, she definitely needs a bath. She's been sitting out here for about a month now, ever since I got back from our last camping trip. Give it a bath. And I want to start work on them upper cabinets this week. Get those done. Mama's been on me about that. So I got to get that done. I've pretty much got the trailer loaded down, but I don't know if you can tell by looking at the truck. But the way I've got the weight distributed back there, I mean, it barely lifts that truck or drops that back down at all. Of course, I've got my bumper guard, brush guard, and my winch on the front, which is extra weight. And of course, we're sitting up there. But I try to put most of the heavy stuff that we're hauling in the very back to try to offset those batteries. Those batteries are the most weight up front. You know, 60 pounds each, 10 of them. You don't have to be a mathematician to figure that one out. That's 600 pounds of batteries. So when you subtract that off my tongue weight, but everything looks pretty good. All right, come on, Patriot. Come on, buddy. Patriot goes everywhere with me. He's as most of you don't know it, but my Brandy girl passed away last week, and Patriot's really been stepping it up. We talk to her every day. Anyway, I don't want to get sad about that right now. Okay, let's take a ride. Come on, bud. Thank you. Good boy. We're gonna. This is where I keep my trailer. It's out here on a farm, a horse farm. I'm gonna leave that right up there. Maybe we can keep sharing. I don't know. And you know, with my backup camera, I can see the trailer back there and everything, so it's kind of cool. So I wonder. I don't know. I'll do this for a little while, see if it works. I'm just gonna drive home. I haven't done a video in a long time, probably a couple of months. But we're overdue for one. So this is going to be probably not a very long one. Just a reintroduction, I guess. Trailer looks good. So. What I pay every month for the storage fee here is just ridiculously low. The covered ones are a bit more, and then across the way there are some ones with doors on them. But I asked him to tuck me back there in the corner of the property because I was going to be working on it and everything, and so it's worked out real well. And I've actually come here because it's pretty much in the shade. I've come here during the day when it's been blistering hot, and even in the trailer, it's pretty nice, you know. So as long as you keep them in the trailer. Now the guy that owns this property also races cars, but I think it's those like little tiny drifter cars. I don't know what you call them. But he's got horses here. He's got a little mini horse here too. He's always out. It's kind of neat. He plays with the big horses. I think he's the boss though. All right. Today is August 24th or 25th, Saturday. Mama's working, so I had to take Andrew to his class this morning for his CPR certification, and I decided to come get the trailer. All right. Well, when I have get back to the house, I'll sign back on. All right.